Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I stopped this from happening every time I made a turn. For $7 and 2 minutes, I'll show you how to do it. Check this out. So we were recently on a family vacation and we needed Starlink. We didn't have any cell reception and I needed directions to get to the place where we were going to go. And I pulled out Starlink. I brought my Starlink along and I pulled it out, set it up, put it on the dash, and thought we were good to go. Well, that thing was sliding back and forth the entire time. To give you an idea what that was like, let's take a ride with the Starlink just sitting on my dash. It's crazy how much it moved. Oh. Whoa. There we go. Yeah, that's what we're trying to avoid right there. So one of the things I was thinking of is how can I make this thing stand still without having to add additional mounts and put even more things on my windshield, already creating more obstructions as I'm driving. So I just got to thinking, and I got some input from a family member about how to remedy that, because Starlink doesn't come with any type of rubber feet. There's no way for this thing to grab a hold of anything. So if you put it on a smooth surface and you're driving around, it's going to slide. I didn't want to put another dash mount on my windshield because I couldn't see out. So my family member suggested, well, why don't you just use a drawer mat? The things that you put in your kitchen cabinet to keep your silverware from sliding around, and cups and everything else. And I thought that was a great idea. So I went to the dollar store, paid $7 for more than enough of this stuff. And I got black to match the truck because that's how I live. So I put that on the dash and tried it out. And here's some footage of me taking the exact same route I took earlier with the drawer mat placed on the dash. It's crazy how well it worked. All right, so now I'm taking this, just sitting it on the dashboard, sitting the Starlink on top. So as you can see, I took the exact same road as I did previously, and it didn't even move. It stayed stationary, and I was able to get a consistent link from dish to satellite. If you have Starlink Roam and you are mobile while you're using it, I highly suggest going to the dollar store, picking up more than enough of this stuff, and putting it on your dash. The best part about this stuff is not only is it cheap, but it didn't require any tools. It just cut it. This is a 12 by 12 square roughly. Cut it with a pair of scissors and put it on the dash. There's no sticky adhesives. There's no need to bolt anything down, obstruct your view. It doesn't leave scratch marks as your Starlink is sliding across your dash. It's really a simple hack. It's a really cheap hack, and I highly recommend that you check it out. I want to thank you for clicking on the video and checking out the quick hack I have for Starlink. If you're interested in other hacks and Starlink reviews and things like that, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the Oaks.